If your brows look like distant cousins instead of sisters, we need to fix that. I know some of you struggle with drawing your brows and they never look good still. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get soft, even brows that actually match, even if you're a beginner. I start off by brushing my brow hairs upward. This helps me see the natural shape of my brows. Next, I go in with brow gel. I actually used hair wax for this just to hold everything in place. Then I go in with a setting powder just to reduce any shine from the gel. Now I'm just gonna dust off the excess powder and we can start filling in the brows. I'm going to be using the Adventure eyeliner gel. I'm going in with a flat angled brush and a gel liner to precisely define the shape of my brows. So I'm just going to take my time to shape the brows. Watch closely how I outline my brows. Just follow along with this step and take your time. There's no need to rush. This step is what really makes the difference.
Like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
So now that we are done outlining the brows, the next step is to fill in the brows. And I'm going to be using my Blossom makeup pencil to fill in the brows. Also, you want to make sure you keep your strokes light and gentle. That's what gives you that soft and natural look. Now I'm using a spoolie to brush through the brows. The spoolie will help diffuse the product and soften any harsh lines.
Be my leading lady. I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime.
After that, I clean up under my brows using a concealer and blend it downward so it melts into my skin. This step makes everything look sharp and more defined.
My killers don't tell. Shut down my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe.
And for the top, I go in very lightly. You don't want your brows to look boxed in. And this is how I get my brows to look soft, lifted, and natural every single time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe because I'm sharing more simple makeup techniques that actually work.